We are getting closer and closer. It's almost Christmas. We announced our giveaway yesterday. Just remember to continue commenting because you are still in the giveaway. So, and you will even be in the next giveaway. So just comment and like and subscribe and everything. And let's get started with day 18. We have Harrods first. And let's see what they have for us today. Oh, it's actually 2 products today. This is from Lancaster. It says one of them is the concentrate and the other one is the cream. The concentrate is 7.5 milliliters or 0.25 fluid ounces. And the cream is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. Looks really exclusive. Made in Monaco. Wow. So they look like this. I never heard of Lancaster. Made in Monaco. So that sounds really exclusive. But I will definitely try them out. Have you heard of them before? Lancaster. So here's cream. Then we have Cult Beauty. Oh, I can't get it out. Oh, another exclusive one. So this is from AUGUSTINUS powder. These are the eye patches with TFC8. Looks like this. I think it's only one here. And then we have also from AUGUSTINUS powder the Eyebrow and Lash Enhancing Serum. Wow. 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. Wow, that's impressive. Serums like that are usually really expensive. I just have to check it online before I'm starting using it because I do not want any controversial ingredients in it. But if it's good, I'll try it. And then from SpaceNK, probably some of you like this one really good. This is from CAUDALIE. It's an eye cream, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. It's called Premier Cru and it says reduces all types of wrinkles around the eye contour and lips, reduces dark circles and puffiness, firms the eyelids, enhances radiance and opens up the eyes. Are you a CAUDALIE fan? Let me know down below and let me know why you like CAUDALIE so much. I haven't decided yet if I want to like them, but I'll talk more about that later on. It's like this. Another day and we have so many products here now, so don't forget to comment below so you can be part of the giveaway. And we will have more giveaways coming up. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!